Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my first harvest for this year, and I'll be harvesting the yellow wax beans, bush beans. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we're gonna see how much beans I'll get from today's harvest. So let's go. Okay guys, so I have my container here with me, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start harvesting the beans. Okay guys, so I'll be using just my regular kitchen scissors to cut the beans off. And for this bush bean, it's the yellow wax variety, and when these are ready to be harvested, they are of a yellow color. So it's not like the regular green beans, they stay green. These ones get yellow when it's time for them to be picked. Okay guys, so I'm done harvesting my beans, and I did leave a bit on there. They haven't turned yellow as yet. They're still, you know, big, but they haven't turned yellow as yet, so I didn't want to pick them as yet. But this is all that I got today. Yeah, and I think this is enough for me right now. And there are still a lot of blossoms coming in, so they're flowering right now. So probably in a couple of, probably 2 weeks or so, I should have big enough peas I can pick for my next harvest. And yeah, there are still some that's growing out right now. They're green, they're not yet ready to be picked, and their flowers coming up, so there should be a lot of beans coming in pretty soon. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. I've harvested my first set of beans from this year, and yeah, I'm just gonna cook these and see how they taste. Fresh beans from my garden. And yeah, I'll keep you updated with the garden as it progresses, and I'll catch you in my next video guys. And until then, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next garden video. Bye guys.